Hi, this is Sakshi Tanwar and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
I'll tell you something honestly. We've been like, we followed your serials. Now I don't watch much television, but I used to follow it like very Kahani Gar Gar Ki, and everything is something that I've watched a lot of episodes. So, and when I was watching this making of yours for Dangal, and whatever we've seen of you in
Where I'm
in the
only
past.
laughing.
You laugh. My observation was that kahin na kahin ek you're a naturally simple person, which comes across. That we've seen it in say, because I know you mostly from Kahani Gar Gar, because apart from that I've not watched much television. It was something which came very naturally. एक innate goodness कहीं ना कहीं आपके अंदर है. शायद हो सकता है आपकी मदर की वजह से हो, जिनके बारे में अभी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया. एंड इवन इन द मेकिंग व्हाट आई नोटिस, बिकॉज इन प्रोमोज यू आर एक्टिंग, but in the making it was you're reacting very the way you say superb, or the way you are saying yo with the two girls and the entire thing, that's coming very naturally. Is it something, you're not on social media, is the fact that you're a bit disinterested in the whole stardom bit, is something that makes you more natural, and why you become likable?
I think it's simpler and easier when you're yourself.
जी जी बिल्कुल.
It's not high on maintenance at all.
Absolutely.
You don't have to do anything. Then you are yourself everywhere and every time.
जी बिल्कुल.
So I think that's one thing that I have been able to retain as a person.
जी.
वो मैं कभी कर नहीं पाई कि मैं कुछ और
बनने की कोशिश
बनूं या कोशिश, या वो मैं वो कभी अंदर से हुआ ही नहीं.
जी.
So I think which is why wherever you will see me as the way I am, basically the person that I am. तो अंदर कुछ बाहर कुछ है नहीं. It's
Absolutely.
the same.
Right.
If in fact I would say I'm too transparent sometimes, because कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो भी जाहिर हो जाता है, कुछ नहीं अच्छा लगता तो भी जाहिर हो जाता है. छुपा नहीं पाती मैं. Somewhere that helps me in my performance also. Absolutely. Because then it's easier to catch the emotion and play it. But sometimes you too open, because people can read you, like you were saying that you could say that about me, that while I saw your making and all. तो वो मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी ही हूँ, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती उसके बारे में.
आप बिल्कुल बहुत बहुत अच्छी हैं, आप वैसे ही रहिए. I think because that's your USP, I would feel. I saw Azad yesterday. I saw Shor Se Shuruaat yesterday, and that's I think Atul Kulkarni, and one of the best shots in that. And there once again I think it's a powerful performance, and you really had a great time performing over there as well. Now coming to Dangal, once again, there's a very important dialogue as well, which is a very naturally, it's coming across very naturally, but it's a telling statement on the society in general, that after the fourth girl, when you say that मैं आपको छोड़ा ना दे पाई, which is something that no one should be ashamed of in the first place, but the way the society is, especially Haryana, जिस तरीके से the entire paradigm, the way it has been over there in terms of towards a girl child. Do you feel that it is in a way shocking, in a way, that why we tend to look down upon the girl child the way we do at times, and how maybe this film can change it to some extent?
जब एंटर करते हैं
जी
बलाली में, तो there is that welcome
correct, we noticed that, we posted that on Twitter and everything, yeah,
जिसपे उनके चारों के नाम लिखे हुए हैं कि उनका
गीता, बबीता, मधु एंड विनेश,
हाँ, का रितु एंड विनेश का गांव आपका स्वागत करता है.
जी.
I think that is what is needed आज.
Yeah, absolutely.
And which is why I said कि a film like Dangal is relevant, क्योंकि ये एक बहुत बड़े लेवल पे चेंज होना ज़रूरी है. दिस माइंडसेट, बिल्कुल, जो हमारे लाइंस भी हैं कि पहलवानी तो सिर्फ छोरे करे हैं, एंड देन आमिर सर सेज कि हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम है. कि that whole thing ना, it has to be drilled into people's mind. Absolutely. Not just for wrestling, not just for a particular sport, but for everything. Right. For a general perception that has to be changed, and which is why I feel कि बहुत जो ये कहानी है जिस टाइम पे आ रही है जी, वो जरूरी है, करेक्ट है उसके लिए,
Hmm.
क्योंकि हो रहा है, डेफिनेटली देयर इज अ चेंज. आई मीन मैं अपनी लाइफ में देखूं तो पिछले 20 साल में, मतलब जब व्हेन आई पास आउट ऑफ कॉलेज एंड नाउ,
जी.
there is a lot of change, but still we have a long way to go. And ये सोच के कि हरियाणा से ये लड़कियां निकली और they're representing our country and they're winning medals for the country, and today people are talking about wrestling and people are interested कि oh, what are we doing in Olympics? Oh, okay, so there are female wrestlers. Oh wow, okay, so people are sitting and watching Sakshi Malik fight.
Absolutely.
This is the change. And
Absolutely.
this is the change I hope Dangal would be able to strengthen further.
No, no, absolutely. In fact, we went to the village, and it is remarkable that now they have become so successful and everything is there. But the fact is that when that man must have started,
Can
what
you
an
imagine? Yeah.
effort it must have
It
taken
must
for the
have
entire
been.
family.
Yeah.
Considering the sort of surroundings you are living in, and then you are having your daughters, and the way they are being trained, and it must have been like one hell of a
Tremendous.
task.
Yeah.
One hell of a
Yes,
task.
yes,
There are
yes.
absolutely something about Nitesh Tiwari, the writer director. I think it is something that he has been living for the last 5-6 years now.
When
And,
I did my audition, Nitesh sir wasn't there.
right.
But yeah, he was part of the creative team for बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं के promos.
Correct.
Those 4 promos.
So many things about you and Mr. Ram Kapoor. People love your entire chemistry.
The
Seriously.
pairing.
Yeah.
So I met Nitesh sir directly in one of the readings.
Okay.
So he was not there for my audition. I did the scene with Amir sir. यहीं पे बाहर हॉल
Frida.
में,
Okay.
इधर ही किया था. And I met Nitesh sir when we did a combined reading for the entire cast.
जी.
And Nitesh sir read out the script. And when he was reading out the script, he must have done it so many times.
जी बिल्कुल.
He's part of the writing team, and he must have lived that story for so many years.
Absolutely.
Narrated it to so many people and everything, and yet when he was he was reading out the script, it was so full of emotions. His voice would break, and you could feel that how it is, the story is running in his blood.
Absolutely.
He's so involved in the film, and even when he gave me the character brief, it was here. I was sitting here, and he was sitting right in
जी.
front of me, and it was so precise. It was so precise that I just had to follow that.
बिल्कुल.
Even when I went on the set, I had no this thing that I will do a scene this way or anything.
बिल्कुल.
I had Nitesh sir's brief at the back of my mind, and before the scene he would give some instructions, and I would say, sir, so what is going on in the mind of this character, and he would tell me the emotion behind the lines कि ये feel कर रही है वो.
Absolutely.
और बिल्कुल उस पे मैंने काम किया है.
बिल्कुल.
So whatever you see in the film, it is all Nitesh sir, because पूरा मैंने उनकी गाइडेंस पे, उनके इंस्ट्रक्शंस पे अपने कैरेक्टर को अपना बिल्कुल दिमाग नहीं लगाया.
Right.
बिल्कुल उन्होंने जैसा कंसीव किया था वैसा मैंने कर दिया.
No, that is brilliant actually.
And
he
he's
seems
so
to be
good.
very,
He's so
very solid.
good, and it is so wonderful to work with him because he gives you your space. मतलब ऐसा कभी मैंने तो उनको कभी ऐसे देखा ही नहीं कि वो कुछ बोल भी रहे हो या कुछ उनको पसंद नहीं आया तो भी वो एकदम इतने अच्छे से समझा के करते हैं ना, that you feel so comfortable that automatically your best comes out because you have the freedom.
Absolutely, definitely.